I made a video a year ago talking about the fourth state of matter, plasma. Half of the comments were worried about the 22 states of matter, so here's the video. We know solids, the particles inside them are closely packed and have strong bonds. Heat it up, we get liquid, where particles can now move past around each other, but they generally stick together in the shape of its container. Heat it up again, we get gas. Particles here can move freely. So notice a pattern. As we keep messing with the temperature and pressure, we notice a change in state. When a gas is heated to very high temperatures, the energy is sufficient to strip electrons from the atoms, even separating the protons and neutrons, which creates plasma. Bose-Einstein condensate, a state of matter in which subatomic particles are cooled to near absolute zero temperature, where the atoms lose their individual identities and behave collectively as a single quantum entity. Rydberg Polarons, also created at low temperatures, in which a very large atom contains other ordinary atoms in the space between the nucleus and electrons. Usually photons which make light are massless particles which don't interact with each other. Photonic matter is a special type of medium in which photons interact with each other so strongly that they begin to have mass. At temperatures and pressure above critical point, we have supercritical fluid, which exhibits properties of both liquids and gases. Degenerate matter is created under enormous pressures. The particles are compressed and there reaches a point where there is no more space between them. As we keep increasing the pressure, the electrons are separated from the nucleus and they move around close to the speed of light. In a string net liquid, atoms apparently have unstable arrangement like a liquid but are still consistent in the overall pattern like a solid. Dropleton, a short-lived cluster of electrons and positive charges called holes which behave like a liquid. Superconductivity is a phenomena in which certain materials can exhibit zero electrical resistance when cooled below a critical temperature. Jahn-Teller Metal, a material that appears to be an insulator, superconductor, metal and a magnet all rolled into one. Unlike traditional crystals where the atoms in crystals are arranged periodically in space, the atoms in time crystals are arranged periodically in both space and time. Quantum spin-all state is a theoretical state of matter that conducts electricity along its edges while remain insulating in the bulk. Fermions can be thought of as building blocks of matter, example electrons. Fermionic matter refers to the matter composed of fermions. Superfluidity is the characteristic property of a fluid with zero viscosity, which therefore flows without any loss of kinetic energy. A supersolid is a hypothetical state of matter that combines both a solid and a superfluid, that is a solid that flows like a fluid with no friction, no resistance. Quantum spin liquids are characterized by their long-range quantum entanglement, fractionized excitations, and absence of ordinary magnetic order. Quark-Gluon Plasma is a state of matter that occurs at very high temperature where the quarks start moving freely. Quarks are the building blocks of protons and neutrons. Excitonium, a state of matter made of excitons, which are what you get when you combine escaped electrons and the holes they left. Antimatter is composed of particles that have properties opposite to that of normal matter. For example, antiparticles have opposite electric charge and other quantum properties. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Sharpen your brain by following.